channel. So welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm totally weird. Shocking, right? Anyway, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencers. I do makeup videos, product reviews, skincare, DIY stuff. I do everything pretty much. Today I am going to share with you guys something which is pretty new to me as well. I haven't tried it myself. This is going to be my first time and I wanted to do this on camera so you all can see the results. So a couple of weeks ago, I think it was around a month ago actually, Alya Skin, which is an Australian pink clay mask company, they called Alya Skin, they reached out to me and they said if I will be interested to try their clay mask, and you all know how much I love the skincare. So I just went through their website. I'm not gonna lie, I saw their advert many times on Facebook sponsored adverts, but Facebook sponsored adverts are one of those adverts which will always make you wary. I never had a very good experience with those. Apart from my El Makiage foundation one, this would be my second time trying something which I seen on like a Facebook sponsored advert. So when they reached out to me, I was like, okay, I haven't heard them, but I'm gonna look at it. I went through their website, checked all the stuff and everything looked really good. And I just went back to them and I said, yes, I would love to try it. The first thing which caught my eye is this is a vegan and cruelty-free product. Anything vegan and cruelty-free, I'm all there. I'm really always ready to try those products and give them a fair chance, because there are not many brands which are doing it. Yeah, there are a lot of brands which are currently doing cruelty free, but still there are a lot of brands which are not cruelty free. So for me, this is a very big positive. I thought this couldn't be a better time to try this product and see how it works. So when I looked at what it actually do and all that stuff, it actually, let me take this out of the box. So thank you. Feet up, mask on, chill, you deserve gorgeous, vibrant looking skin. Okay, so this mask is for detoxifying and brightening. So it detoxify your skin and it brighten your skin. I was looking on their website. I'll post a lot of snapshots in the video anyway, so you can see what's this about. So I was looking on their website and it said it's really good for sensitive skin. It also helps to tighten your pores. It really detoxify your skin and it makes your skin looking super glowing afterwards. So all the points I always look for: detoxifying, brightening, tightening pores, give it to me. I'm all ready for it. I just want to try it. So here we go, guys. So what we'll do is we're just gonna go and start with this. But before I start the actual process, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. So I actually zoomed in my camera because I want you to see my skin the way it is. Now, first thing I really want to say is, first of all, this video is not sponsored. I do not have any discount code for you, and I am fully they have given me a full permission to give my honest review. So I am going to tell you guys if I'm gonna hate this, I'm gonna love this, if it works, if it doesn't work, whatsoever. And this is the right time to try on my skin because I do have a lot of spots going on. My skin is feeling very dry and very like dull. So it could be the time for me to try this, and you can tell if you see any difference or not. So this is my skin right now. As you can see, this is how it's looking like. I have a lot of spots going on around here. These are hormonal spots as well. Then I have a lot of spots here. This side is pretty clear, but then I had this stupid mark on my nose, which was my fault. I saw something and I was just like, I'm gonna pick it and it's gonna come out, and it was the worst thing I could have done. Now it left me with a very big mark right here. So there we go, guys. So we're just gonna start. So I'm just looking at the camera thinking, am I close enough for you guys to see how my skin is looking? I'm hoping I am. So what I'm gonna do is, the first thing I did is actually wash my face, and I haven't applied anything after washing my face. Amino calming sensitive foam cleanser, and now I'm just gonna go straight with the mask. So when I was looking on their website, they said you should apply this mask on your T-zone and just leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off and blah blah blah. So but when I went on their Instagram, I noticed a lot of people are wearing it all over their face. So I'm just gonna go apply it all over my face the way I apply all my masks, just to show you how it looks. So I'm just gonna take my thing. Ooh, it's very thick. Okay. Now whenever I apply my mask, I always like to take it a little bit on my neck as well. It doesn't say I should, but I'm a creature of habit, so I'm gonna do it. Okay. So now I'm just going to wait for 10 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like after 10 minutes. Alright beauties, so this is totally dry. Now even though it says on the packaging you're supposed to like take it off with the warm wet towel, I'm not gonna do that. I am not into the kind of thing. If I am wearing a mask, I will always wash it off properly on the sink. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back. I just washed my face and I deliberately didn't dry it, so I wanted you to see how it's gonna look, because I haven't applied anything. I just didn't even use any soap or anything. I just literally washed off all the mask, and I'm just gonna pat dry my face. Okay. Ooh, okay. So this is how my skin is looking right now. Okay, so looking at up close myself, I can see a lot of difference on this part of my face. I had a lot of redness, and this part was looking super duper dull, and it's looking quite nice. The other thing I notice is I have very dry skin, and doesn't matter what sort of mask I apply, as soon as I wash it, I have to apply something right away, a facial mist, a moisturizer, something right away, because I feel the tightness of my, like, dryness and tightness of my skin pretty much in like within a couple of seconds. But this is so far is feeling quite okay. Impressed with this product. It definitely works. I'm just gonna apply my Wonder Beauty Glow Getter Mist. If you haven't seen my last video, you should check out. I talked about this product. This is a super duper good product, and it's kind of my current go-to facial mist. It hydrates, nourish, refresh your face, do everything for you. So as I was saying, so far I'm quite happy with the result. I like the it does the brightening, detoxifying and tightening the pores. Sometimes it's definitely hard to find all these things in one product, so definitely these are all my plus points, my ticks. All, if I'm looking for something and I have a checklist, I'll go through the checklist and I'll tick all the boxes, and this product is definitely ticking all the boxes. Now, as I said, the instruction wise it says you're supposed to take it off with warm water, but like with a towel, but I never ever take off my mask with the warm, like with towel. For me personally, it's more like washing my face properly with a warm water, and I feel like it does better job. So that was the only thing. I don't know if it's necessary or not, but I didn't feel much difference, so I am feeling pretty good now. All the points for me, so I am super duper impressed, and I want to say a huge thank you to Alya Skin for reaching out and sending me this product to try. I am so impressed by this. it's amazing. If you are in the market and looking for something amazing and a good clay mask, remember that it's a clay mask. Not everybody is fond of clay masks. If you are one of those people who don't mind this, you really might want to give a try to this one. This is so good. I am very impressed by this. I will definitely be posting more reviews, like a short reviews, what my thought is as I'm using the product more and more on my Insta stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Insta handle is in the description box below. You can always check out more updates and reviews about this product on my Insta stories, because I am gonna give it a go. I'm gonna use this more and tell you what more difference I see on my skin, because giving a product any kind of review or any kind of like fair chance, you have to use the product a couple of times to see if it's definitely working or not. Especially if it's a skincare, it might not work right away, it might work after a couple of attempts or something. So but I am definitely quite in love with the first results. Let's just wrap this video, and hope you find this review helpful. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in a comment section below. Everything I mentioned about this product will be mentioned in the description box below for your convenience. And I shall see you guys next time. Take care, stay safe, be healthy, stay calm, be positive, and just be considerable as well. So love you all, take care.